Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling, helping these plants grow. When you get your hand dirty, it's food for your soul. In the element, where you can't catch the breeze, while you break a sweat and get some dirt on your knees. In the garden, that way you can't find me. Getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing.
Yeah, man. About to get to it real quick, you know what I'm saying? I ain't playing no games in this thing, you know what I'm saying? About to make the placking happen, going hard from the start. You did what I'm talking about? Y'all already know I had broke that wheelbarrow last time, you did what I'm saying? But now we about to fix it. Look, y'all see it. It talking, you know what I'm saying? It talking. It's all good, but booyah! Yeah, I got one of these ply balls that I had got. Y'all know I'm always coming up on the little whoop-whoop. You did what I'm saying? So, dude had a whole bunch of crates, and I got them, broke them down, and that's what we about to use right now. You did what I'm saying? About to bust it down and make it, basically brace up this wheelbarrow. At the same time, too, I told y'all I had to spend some of that money and get some of that good 2x4s, you did what I'm saying, so we can brace up the top of the greenhouse so that we can then see what we need to do with our, guess you say rafters, you dig, and start putting a roof on that thing, so then I can start putting the aesthetics to it, make sure we got all the windows in there, and then make that thing super fire and dope-alicious, you dig what I'm saying? So we ain't gonna play no game, about to go ahead and hop in this thing and start on the wheelbarrow, you dig? So y'all gonna see how I'm gonna put it together in the mix, and hopefully it'll work, so we can get some more of that compost out there in the field. You dig?
Oh, ask them who their favorite former is, they scream Lelo. Shot all net like Kobe from the free throw. It's a must that I let my light shine everywhere that I go. Out the fresh form, I got it jumping like a pogo. Oh, ask them who their favorite former is, they scream Lelo. Shot all net like Kobe from the free throw. It's a must that I let my light shine everywhere that I go.
Okay, so what I just did right here is I found the center point of the wood, right? I saw what the top point of the wheelbarrow, or the widest point of the wheelbarrow, need to be, right? Measure that out. Got the short part, you know what I'm saying, seen where that need to be, measure that out. Got my length together, then I had to get that angle right. So now what we about to do is go ahead and cut it, and then see if we got what we need to put up in there and brace this wheelbarrow. You dig?
Plant them seeds deep in the ground. I could never quit, I never back down. Cause people wanna grow and I'ma teach them how. I have never quit, I never back down. Perpetually gaining knowledge to enhance my style. I could never quit, I never.
Yeah, man. Y'all see it. Just went ahead and slid that plywood off in there. Y'all see it, you know what I'm saying? It's a little loose, but that's how I want it though, because like I said, we about to put them 2x4s on there to brace that thing down, lock it in tight, and I got some washers on there to make sure that it be in there nice and right. You did what I'm saying? So y'all see it right there, 13 and a half, 11 and a half, and 10 and a half. You know what I'm saying? That's how big that 2x4s need to be on the small side. So we're gonna make it do what it does. About to find some 2x4s, cut them up, get them in here so we can get on to the next project. You dig?
I never back down. Perpetually gaining knowledge to enhance my style. I could never quit, I never back down. Too much work to be done to start quitting now. Early morning, wake up, I'm up before the chickens cluck. Got to feed them they oats. Now it's time to release the goats. They got work to do for real. Got them cleaning out the field. Take pressure off my back, that's why I love the ruminants. Eco-friendly lawnmowers, they
Okay, y'all see I just put no 2x4 braces in that thing and I wedged them in kind of tight so I can flip it over like I did. That's why I was being so gentle. You did what I'm saying? So I can screw them in through the top. I went and got some washers to go around my decking screws so they won't go through the plastic of the wheelbarrow, but I want them to be able to bite down on both of those woods real good, so that'll tighten it up real tight, and then like I said, that will definitely have this thing secure.
I could never quit, I never back down. Too much work to be done to start quitting now. Where you can find me. Boy, it been a long road, bruh. It took a lot of blood, you can find me. A lot of sweat, and a lot of tears. But we here now, you can find. I'm just placking in the garden and it grow prolifically. People don't even go outside, yeah, I still be digging me. Put those seeds in the ground and they grow explicitly. Somewhere out in the garden, that's where you can find me. It's Lelo, I'm one of the realest in it. Spreading knowledge just so you can get it. I used to dodge calls.
Y'all see it, just got that wheelbarrow tightened up and sturdy. I even hopped to that thing just to show y'all. Let me do it again. So you know it ain't no cap, if they say. You know what I'm saying? Look, I'm in there. Yeah. You making me do what it do. Yeah. Then if I need to, I can always go back, add some more plywood and add some more 2x4s to make it even more sturdier. You dig? Now, before we get to working on this greenhouse, go ahead and smash down on that subscribe button and tell a friend to smash down on that subscribe button too. You dig?
I'm just placking in the garden and it grow prolifically. Somewhere out in the garden, that's where you can find me. People don't even go outside, yeah, I'll still be digging me. I'm just placking in the garden and it grow prolifically. Put those seeds in the ground and they grow assiduously. People don't even go outside, yeah, I'll still be digging me. Somewhere out in the garden, that's where you can find me. Spring turn to summer, yesterday is in the past. Constantly pick the weeds, or they'll take over the land. Yeah, I'm a farmer with a whole lot of swag that grow major groceries that you have never had. Oh yeah, everything go black. I'm a grow exotic plants and tell you go and Google that. Puzzle classes coming soon, where they going down at? Coming live from the outdoor fair farm, believe that. Orchestrating deals, gotta keep coming high. I don't believe in limits, not even in the sky. I just wanna see my people out there elevate. Teach them how to live with nature and not destroy this place. Put your toes in the soil and feel your stress dissipate. When you grow your own food, you will see how it really tastes. And understand how much money in the store you're wasting. But first you gotta dive in and learn the basics. I'm just placking in the garden and it grow prolifically. People don't even go outside,
Yeah, man, y'all see it. Just put that top little rafter brace thing, whatever you want to call it, up there, right there, right. And the reason I put that up there, so we can have enough height, so when we put that roof on there, we can get a good slope and we won't have any water basically being stagnant on the roof. And at the same time too, I'm gonna fix up some kind of contraption on the other side so we can catch some of that rainwater. You dig what I'm saying? So we want to make sure we got a nice slope off in that thing, and I think that's gonna work. I know I ain't putting that on the ends and that right now, but I still gotta go back up there and put the rafters and the beams in to brace in that roof so I can put some in then. You dig? The day's work is not finished yet. We're gonna go ahead and get about 10 more loads of that compost and take it over there in the field before we get up out of here. But if y'all remember correctly, last time during tea time, I only drank water because it was too hot. So I got smart and I said, hey, before we do this last task, I'm gonna go ahead and make that tea now so it can be sitting down, cooling off a little bit while I'm doing my work thing. So then when it's time to get my little drink, it'll be palatable. It won't be too hot. Get it?
To clean up the atmosphere, we gotta take care of her so she will take care of us. And we gotta do it quick before things get too dangerous. Going down, put it in the ground, then you gotta help them dirt babies grow out. First learn these lessons.
Now since we got the tea on the steep, it's time to get some more of this compost out the street. You dig?
Then you gotta help them dirt babies grow out. First learn these lessons, then you reap your blessings from the abundance your garden is giving. Life is a game with up and down like a roller coaster, but with proper planning it'll take some weight up off your shoulder. Planning is the seed that we gotta be sure to nurture, then cultivate that seed so it can fulfill its purpose. For real, shawty, you gotta take care of that seed, no matter what it is, cause if you don't, it's gonna die. Gotta nurture them seeds so they will grow up big and strong, cause when you have more fruit, you have fruit to pass along. Then things will multiply cause you're living in abundance, and it's not hard to do, it's easy just like hooked on funny. It just take constant work for things to get in motion, then you'll be excited when you see everything is busting. It's going down, put it in the ground, then you gotta help them dirt babies grow out. First learn these lessons, then you reap your blessings from the abundance your garden is giving. It's going down, put it in the ground, then you gotta help them dirt babies grow out.
It's tea time. Yeah, man. We just made it do what it do. Made the placketing happening. You did what I'm saying. Hopefully that running water behind us don't mess up the sound quality too bad. But it made me feel very nostalgic. You know what I'm saying? Like I was somewhere by a river or something. You know, when you farming in the city, all type of things be going on. And so the city water, you know what I mean, the watershed company is doing something to the water, and they just letting it flow, as you can see behind me. So I was liking that nature sound, you did what I'm saying, while I was out here working today, you feel me? But yeah, man, let's recap. First off, y'all saw I have hit it with that Echinacea Plus and that I Love Lemon, you know what I'm saying? And this tea is the perfect temperature for me to drink right now. Very, very delicious, you did what I'm saying? I was kind of upset last week that I didn't do tea time, but it was too hot. So like I said, I had to get smart this time, you know what I mean? And go ahead and make that thing do what it do a little early, so it will be at this nice perfect temperature, you did what I'm saying? Because I really like, you know what I mean, having tea after a hard days of work, you know what I mean? After just kicking around and shooting the whoop whoop with you, you feel me? This is very cool. So let's go ahead and jump into the recap. Yeah, y'all see it. We reinforced that wheelbarrow, you know what I'm saying? Fix that thing up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, made it do what it do. So as you can see, we still making it happen, you know what I'm saying? And being ingenuitive and innovative, you did what I'm saying? I had that old wood, and all I needed to do was get some washers because I had to get the deck screws anyway, you feel what I'm saying? So I got the washers, and I said, hey man, use that noggin, you did, and that's how I made it happen, you did what I'm saying? Very sturdy, and we know that we can have it for a long time, because if that breaks, then we just gonna do it over again, you did what I'm saying? Then after we did that, we put that top, I can't think of the name, I think it's a brace, rafter, whatever that is up there, you know what I'm saying? So we can put those rafter beams down, so we can then put the roof on top of the greenhouse. We got that up through there, you did what I'm saying? Then we were also able to fill up the rest of the field with some of this good compost, you did what I'm saying? I really am thankful for having this compost, because it was given to me on a grant, you feel what I'm saying, from Compost Now and the Food Well Alliance, and I really appreciate them. The Food Well Alliance have been really helpful and instrumental in me getting this far at the Outdoor Fresh Farm, just because of some of the regulations and the rules that we have here in the city and the way farming and agriculture is set up. So shout out to the Food Well Alliance once again. They've been doing some dope things, and I appreciate it. I appreciate it. You did what I'm saying. Also, that Harvest Harmonics, yeah, after we put that soil down in the other raised beds and stuff like that, then we're going to go ahead and sprinkle down with that Harvest Harmonics and get that first, what we could say, round of that good old frequency rocking in our soil, so we can have those good nutritional plants that'll be busting and growing off the chain in this thing, you did what I'm saying? Also, make sure you check out that Amazon store, you know what I mean? I got everything in there, you know what I'm saying? From some of the jewelry that I wear to these cups, even to the tea that I drink. You dig what I'm saying? Y'all can go get that straight off there on that Amazon shop. You dig what I'm saying? And that dope music y'all be hearing in the background, I finally got it on streaming platforms. You dig what I'm saying? I got the links, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and click them, you hear me? And see what's been really going on. You feel me? Some of the music that got remixed and remade, but we also got some OG versions too that we gonna go ahead and put out there. You did what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, y'all just stay tuned with your boy. We got a lot going down for this year. You did what I'm saying? And I want y'all to be right there with me. You feel me? In the front line, in the front row, getting with it. You did what I'm saying? Also, I think I'm missing something. Harvest Harmonics. Oh, that you dig seasoning. Like I said, hit me up from that. I'm still playing a little bit with some of the flavor profiles and trying to see which way I really want to go with this thing. But hey, hit me up and I got you. You dig what I'm saying? We said the music, we said that you did, we talked about the field, we talked about that. Well, I think that's about it. And if it ain't it, then it'll just have to come back to me later on and I'll let you know later. You did what I'm saying? So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to like, share, subscribe too. You did what I'm saying? Oh, there it is. Make sure you go follow me on the social medias. You did what I'm saying? The Facebook, the Instagram. You can follow me at Lelo_Jones and at Outdoor Fresh Farm. So go ahead, link in with that, you know what I'm saying, so you can be right there in the know about what's going on with Lelo and Outdoor Fresh Farm. So y'all be easy. I really appreciate y'all staying tuned, and I will catch y'all next time. Peace.
I'm doing what I love, spreading all this knowledge, homie. But it's still plenty of haters throwing lemon pepper on me. I'm just packing to make it happen, that's the way it goes. Steady working smart and overcoming obstacles. Staying down with my grind, that's how I accomplish goals. Cultivate the seeds, cause there ain't no telling what you can get to grow. So much abundance in this world, we will never know. So much greatness in us that we will never show. But every day is another chance.